Hi, everyone! Mother's Day is near approaching, and so in this tutorial we'll teach you on how to make a Happy Mother's Day card or greeting in Apowersoft Background Eraser. Go to the app and choose Remove Person Background to import a photo of your mom. Then you'll see a transparent background. Start changing the cutout background by tapping the Background tab, then swipe right to choose Mother's Day Template button to pick a backdrop you think appropriate with your mom's photo. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can add your own desired backdrop. Just tap the plus icon to import the backdrop from your gallery. After this, save it by tapping the Save HD button. And this is how to make a mother's photo photography using Apowersoft Background Eraser. Thank you for watching.